Hi, I'm Bob from BBack Car Care. Kevin's going to show you how BBack Car Care does a proper lubrication, oil change, and filter change.
We walk around the car to do a pre-inspection to note any kind of damage that is on the car. With every oil change, we do a vehicle test drive. We are test driving the car, listening for suspension noises, bearing noises, tire noises, brake pulsations, all part of our everyday oil change here at BBack Car Care. Now with every oil change, we check cabin air filter, engine air filter, wiper blades. I'm going to check the cabin air filter. Air filter. Just another service that we provide with our oil change is free battery check. We check out the belts, the hoses, the batteries, just to make sure that it's going to be safe for you for the rest of the winter or for the upcoming season. Just checking for any broken pieces. Now we take out the drain plug and start draining the oil. The car here is in great shape. Rotation of the tires is key for longevity, for tire life. Maximize your performance out of tires. Would almost recommend every oil change to rotate your tires. Can never rotate too much. The factory is calling for 33 pounds of pressure for each tire. That's what we'll set them to. Car is all set, oil change is complete. Here's a copy of the bill, shows you that we did your oil change, how much oil, and then I also rotated the tires since they were off.
Wow, wonderful. Thank you so much.
Here is one other added bonus for being a BBack Car Care member for oil changes. We do a buy 3, get the 4th one free.
Oh, great.
You're all set.
Wow.
I thank you, and you have a good day.
Good. Thank you.
So if you'd like to have your oil changed by BBack Car Care, please stop by. You'll see how we do it properly. BBack Car Care, 215-345-8620.